Fix Android phone automatically going on silent mode. Let's not waste any more time and head right to the video. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow. So first you open settings. Once you open your settings, you scroll down and here you'll find a notification option. You click on notification. Once you click on notification, you scroll down and here you'll find an option of do not disturb. So there are two steps. First, make sure that is turned off. Mine is turned off, so I don't need to put it on, so it's not going on silent. But then if it's automatically going on silent, here you'll find an option of schedules. Click on schedules. Here make sure that nothing of this is turned on, sleeping between 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. If that's off, then it will not go automatically on silent, but most probably it will be on, so you can turn that off, and that's how you can fix the phone automatically going on silent mode. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.